Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can make pivot table in Google Sheet. So now to start, open your Google Sheet and then open a document. So now to make a pivot table, what I'm going to do is just to tap on Insert. You can see this option right here, Pivot Table. Just tap on that. And then just tap on Create. From here, you can see that they have a data range, so you can choose the data range that you want. After that, just tap on Create. After selecting the range, what I'm going to do is just to tap on Create. And you'll see this. Here is the pivot table. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.